If you're anything like me, one of the most satisfying moments in life is finding a simple solution to the annoying problems we face in our everyday lives. Whether that's fixing things around the house, struggling to open packages, or constantly running out of batteries for your flashlight. Luckily, RYOBI has the perfect portable power solution for tackling those day-to-day tasks with the USB Lithium System. I'm Shannon, and in this video, we're diving into the innovative world of USB lithium technology, where we'll uncover the game-changing features and versatility of RYOBI's USB lithium products, providing everyday solutions with rechargeable power. Welcome to RYOBI Tools 101. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be the first to hear about new tool announcements, step-by-step tutorials, DIY projects, and so much more. The best way to think of the USB Lithium System is a way to provide practical solutions for your everyday needs while providing the convenience of rechargeable power. This system is built off the rechargeable USB lithium battery designed to replace your manual tools and alkaline batteries for any task at hand. One USB lithium battery can replace as many as 2,000 single-use AA batteries, saving you time and money. The best part is that one battery powers the entire system of products, ranging from screwdrivers to flashlights to speakers, fans, glue pens, and so much more, giving you the power to take on your everyday. Let's take a closer look at each of the categories in this system, and for more information on any of the products we cover, click the link in the description below. The first category we'll talk about is assembly. This includes products like screwdrivers and ratchets, which are the backbone of not only any DIY enthusiast, but a must-have for anybody's at-home toolkit. These essential tools provide a battery-powered replacement to your traditional handheld models, making assembly, installations, and quick fixes completely effortless. The screwdriver comes with various features, such as pivoting and interchangeable heads for access and control in tight spaces, LED lights for increased visibility, and more. Meanwhile, the 3/8 inch and 1/4 inch ratchets provide a quick and convenient way to tighten or loosen fasteners, with the option for powered or manual ratcheting. With durable construction and ergonomic designs, these assembly products ensure smooth and reliable performance, making them indispensable assets for any light-duty project. Moving into our portable lighting category, these products play a crucial role within the USB lithium system, offering versatility, convenience, and safety in various situations. Whether it's working in dimly lit areas, navigating through power outages, or simply illuminating outdoor spaces, these portable lights provide essential visibility where traditional lighting may not be available. From compact flashlights to magnetic clamp lights and portable area lights, these products enhance productivity and safety across a wide range of activities, making them indispensable tools for DIY enthusiasts, professionals, and outdoor adventurers alike. Portable lifestyle and recreation products within the USB lithium system redefine convenience and enjoyment on the go. Inflators, fans, and speakers powered by rechargeable USB lithium batteries offer unparalleled versatility for outdoor adventures, travel, and leisure activities. Whether you're inflating tires, air mattresses, or pool toys, these compact inflators provide on-demand convenience without the need for bulky power sources. Meanwhile, portable fans ensure comfort in hot and humid conditions, offering relief during outdoor events, camping trips, or even backyard gatherings. And with portable speakers powered by the same reliable USB lithium batteries, you can bring your favorite music or podcasts anywhere, transforming any environment into an immersive audio experience. These lifestyle and recreation products enhance outdoor enjoyment, travel, convenience, and leisure activities, making them essential companions for modern living. The next category we'll look at are the hobby, craft, and maker solutions. These products empower enthusiasts and professionals alike to unleash their creativity wherever inspiration strikes. The glue pen provides precise adhesive application for intricate projects, while the foam cutter allows for effortless shaping and sculpting. The soldering pen enables quick soldering on the go, while the power cutter makes cutting through various materials like cardboard, plastic, carpet, and fabric a breeze. For woodworking enthusiasts, the power carver offers precision carving and shaping capabilities, while the rotary tool provides versatile grinding, cutting, and polishing functionalities. With the reliability of rechargeable USB lithium batteries, these portable tools ensure uninterrupted productivity, allowing hobbyists, crafters, and makers to bring their ideas to life anytime, anywhere. Portable light-duty cleaning products within the USB Lithium system offer maximum convenience and efficiency for maintaining cleanliness in various environments. The Power Scrubber provides powerful and targeted scrubbing action, making quick work of grime and dirt on surfaces such as tile, grout, and countertops. It's also compatible with all RYOBI hex shank cleaning accessories, ranging from soft, medium, hard, and abrasive bristles, as well as sponges and scour pads. Meanwhile, the desktop vacuum offers a convenient solution for tidying up small messes on desks, keyboards, and other surfaces, ensuring a clean and organized workspace with minimal effort. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, these light-duty cleaning products are essential for maintaining a clean space in any environment. And finally, let's talk about the centerpiece of this entire system, the USB lithium rechargeable batteries. Every product we talked about today will come with a rechargeable USB lithium battery and USB cable. However, we offer additional battery and charger options as well. 2 and 3 amp hour batteries with the LED indicator allow you to charge small portable devices like your phone or smartwatch for on-the-go power. The 3-port charger enhances convenience by allowing consecutive charging of multiple batteries, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity with up to 80% faster charging. These batteries provide reliable and long-lasting power, ensuring uninterrupted operation of the diverse lineup of USB lithium-powered products. Whether powering lights, fans, speakers, or hobby tools, these batteries deliver consistent performance for extended periods, enabling users to tackle tasks with confidence. With its cutting-edge technology and cordless convenience, the USB Lithium system redefines the way you power your everyday, and this is only the beginning. With many more products to come, like the 4-in-1 stapler and nailer, this system will only grow with each passing year. With a 2-year limited warranty on all the products we talked about today, be sure to get the most of your purchases by registering them on ryobitools.com, which gives you access to our rapid repair service for ultimate peace of mind. Don't miss out on experiencing the future of cordless power. Head to your local Home Depot or shop online at homedepot.com and elevate your tool arsenal with RYOBI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay up to date on all our new content, including our Tools 101 series, DIY how-to series, and so much more.